So, as I told you in my last video that from today onwards we will communicate in English only. And now when we know all the easy rules of speaking fluent English, only thing we must focus on is to expose ourselves to English as much as possible. Besides, keep revising these 2 pages notes till you get mastery over these. Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Malik and welcome back to the 8th video of world's fastest and easiest English speaking course. Today, we will learn the different ways of asking questions. Before we move ahead, let's have a very quick look over how to revise your notes. In context of speaking, we need to be very clear about the rules so that we can judge the tense quickly and apply the rule fast. That's it. So, if I have to summarize the whole thing for you in the easiest way, then it would be like this. Is, am, are, was, were, and will be. As I told you earlier that these sentences are very basic and you never need to bother about these because they will automatically come right from you. Present tense. Verb plus SES, and for negative and question mark sentences do does. Past tense. Second form, and for asking questions and negative sentences did. Future tense, we will have only one word, will. For continuous tenses, we only have one rule, verb plus ing. Similarly, for perfect tenses, we have only one rule, has, have, had plus third form. That's it. This is the whole English you need to speak fluent. Nothing else. And trust me, nothing can be more easier than this. So just keep revising these rules repeatedly till you get habitual of them. Previously, we have learned that we can ask questions using do, does in present, using did in past, and using will in future. Today, we will learn some other ways of asking questions. Like questions can also begin with who, whom, whose. Questions with who, whom, whose. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Who is the top run scorer in one day cricket? Whom did you choose as our team leader? Whom should I talk about? Vacation. Whose umbrella is this? Whose books do you bind? Questions with what and which. What are you talking about? What is your last name? Which is the biggest museum in the world? Which car is beautiful? Now the questions with why, where and how. Why are you going Delhi? Why is he crying? Where do you live in Jaipur? Where are my books? How will you climb the mountain? How many rabbits do you have? I think it was all easy for you. And now comes the trick. Sometimes when we are not sure about the opposites of any word, for example, if I'm not sure in my mind that what would be the opposite of complete. Yes, we all know it is incomplete. But suppose I don't know this and I'm confused between incomplete, 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 or even non-complete, etc. etc. Simple trick is add not to make an opposite. This means we can make opposite of complete simply by adding not to it. This will become not complete, and not complete is same as incomplete. So we can use this simple trick to make opposites when you are not sure about the exact opposites. So this was all about the today's video. I hope that you must have understood all this easily in your first English communication video. Please tell me in the comment section that if it was easy or difficult for you to understand this video in English. And also tell me if you like the make opposites trick. See you in the next video with some more useful add-ons and trick. By then, stay happy, stay fit and stay confident too.